Hello there, I'm Dylan here for Xiaomi Media with a Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite Android One phone video unboxing. So this is the front of the box, top of the box, side of the box. It's Android One A2 Lite global version. The other side is a similar affair, same elements. At the bottom is a sticker from the shop I bought this. Yes, this is a 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM variant. At the back of the box, sticker that says this complies with IMDA standards DA106775. Mi A2 Lite dual SIM, dual standby, FDD LTE, TDD LTE, WCDMA, the GSM. In terms of cameras, you got the 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI dual camera, large 1.2 pixels. Sorry, I don't know what that means. 5000 mAh, typical battery, high capacity battery capacity. And 5.84 inch Full HD plus display, 19:9 aspect ratio display. We've got an Android One which boasts the latest OS among the most secure. In fact, let's go ahead and remove this plastic film to actually make the filming easier. Should be easier to film now. So over here it says the device is restricted to indoor use only when operating in 5150 to 5350 MHz frequency range in the following countries. Made in China. This was manufactured in September of 2018, so this particular unit is approximately 1 year, one and a half years old. So it's been in storage in some facilities for 1.5 years. Serial number, then there's another serial number. Android One description: Android One, smart, secure, and simply amazing. Say hello to Android One on your new Mi A2 Lite. It's got the latest AI technology from Google built in right in, plus the latest security features and easy to use interface. Android One is a trademark of Google LLC. My thumb is covering an IMEI numbers. For more information, please visit www.mi.com or scan the QR code. Package includes a Mi A2 Lite, adapter, USB cable, SIM Jack 2, user guide, clear soft case, and the product name, product model of the mobile phone is M1805D1SG. Manufacturer is the Xiaomi Communications Co. Limited. Let's go ahead and finally take this out of the box. Oop, dented the box already. Just want to come out. There we go. So the bottom of the box, nothing apart from this serial number. Right, this is the box itself with the Mi A2 Lite. Same advertised specs from the back appears here once again. That's the notch. This is the black example. Fingerprint sensor, metal back. The two cameras back there, 2 megapixel and 5 megapixel sensor with an LED flash. We have sticker here that states the please do not insert non-standard SIM cards into the SIM card slot. This may damage the SIM card slot. Please do not insert a remote SIM card while the phone is powered on. Do not disassemble this device. And then my thumb is once again covering a couple of IMEI numbers. Serial number 32GB 900. This is to protect your consumer rights. Please keep the label intact. Manufacturer, postal address, the Rainbow City of China, resources number 68, something Mobile Street, something District, Beijing, China. Made in China, model M1805D1SG once again. Xiaomi Communication Co. Limited. Designed by Xiaomi. Android One. Fingerprint sensor, headphone jack, SIM card slot, volume power buttons, micro USB, single speaker. And let's go ahead and power this on. Vibration kicked in, Android One. There is a camera cutter on the box, but we'll get back to that later. So this is the first boot up of the device. I love it how in correlation to the boot sequence, the text is just so above, like so perfect. And as you can see, the battery capacity notification doesn't work. Let's just go ahead and set this up quite quickly. Actually, let's go ahead and remove the screen protector. There is no easy way to do so. There you go. That is the Mi A2 Lite with 39% of battery from storage since it was produced in September of 2018. These are all the pre-installed applications. Got the Google Now, Me folder, Google folder. Double tap the power button to access the camera. It has an IR port blaster at the top, as you may or may not be able to see. And this is it with the case on. And it does protect the camera, but just slightly. This is the SIM card tray, face to screen. And this is the Mi A2 without the SIM card tray. And this is SIM ejector tool. So the rest of the box content, well, that is the screen protector that I from just now here. Inside this cover here, we have a couple of things. We have a user guide. Opens up to like this. Diagram of the phone. And information about the SIM card slot. Thank you for choosing Mi A2 Lite. Some information about recycling. Important safety information. Flipping over to the back. Again, 4 sides of information, important safety information, temperature, operation temperature, e-label and FCC notice, SAR information, FCC regulation, which spills over to the top of this page as well. Frequency band and power, legal information, safety precautions, and a bit of security notice as well, EU regulations, alright. In here, we also get a case, but has been removed already. It comes wrapped in this protective wrapping. Else in the box, you have your micro USB cable, and you also have your 10-watt power adapter, five volts at 2 amps, and nothing else in the box. This would be where your SIM ejector tool will be. Thank you for watching.